Non-fungible tokens are gaining lots of ground in the art world also, and they're not just something for the rich alone, they're making people rich. NFTs are more like a tool digital artists can utilize to ensure that their artistic work can never be plagiarized. They can only have one official holder at a time and are safeguarded by the Ethereum blockchain. The value of an NFT is majorly determined by the demand for it. Let's take a look at the world's most expensive NFTs. Number 10. Stay Free. The first on our list of extremely expensive NFTs is Stay Free, which sold for a whopping sum of $5.27 million. Created by the National Security Agency whistleblower Edward Snowden, the Stay Free depicts Snowden based on a photograph by Platon. Stay Free's image comprises pages from the court ruling, in which the National Security Agency's mass surveillance program was shown to have violated the law. Edward Snowden, a former analyst for the NSA, gained international popularity back in 2013 after copying top-secret information from the intelligence agency and handing it to Glenn Greenwald, a journalist who then published it in the Washington Post and Guardian. Eventually, Snowden dedicated the money from the sale of the NFT to the Freedom of the Press Foundation charity, a non-profitable organization in which he serves as the president. Number 9. CryptoPunk number 7252. Next up on our list of expensive NFTs is the CryptoPunk number 7252, sold for a whopping $5.3 million. CryptoPunk NFTs have been soaring exponentially in value in recent months, passing the $1 billion sales mark in August 2021. Developed by the American studio Lava Labs, these non-fungible tokens are the brainchild of Canadian software developers John Watkinson and Matt Hall. Self-described as creative technologists, the pair have worked on everything from 8-bit role-playing games to the development of the AppChat Android app, with a client list including Microsoft and Google. CryptoPunk number 7252 is one of the Lava Labs zombie CryptoPunks, featuring red hair and eyes, an earring and a chin strap. These attributes are very common in the world of CryptoPunks, with 414 punks sporting crazy hair, 2,459 punks with earrings, and 282 punks also wearing a chin strap. Number 8. The World Wide Web source code. The 30th of June 2021 marked the sale of the original source code for the World Wide Web, although in its non-fungible token form. Sir Tim Berners-Lee created this NFT and sold it through Sotheby's auction house for a whopping $5.43 million, following a flurry of bids in the last few minutes, which saw it rise from $3.5 million. The anonymous buyer received 4 different items as part of the NFT, which included time-stamped files of the source code, illustrating around 9,555 lines of source code written between 1990 and 1991. A digital poster of the code was also included, along with a 30-minute animated video which visualizes the code being written, a letter from Tim Berners-Lee. The scalable vector graphics representation of the full code, which features 841mm wide by 1189mm high, was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee from the original files using Python. The letter opens with the line, "As people seem to appreciate autographed versions of books, now we have NFT technology. I thought it could be fun to make an autographed copy of the original code of the first web browser." Number 7. CryptoPunk number 5217. CryptoPunk number 5217 is the second entry from Lava Labs in our exclusive list. The first sale of the NFT was back in June 2017, and it was sold for just $2,929, selling for the jaw-dropping sum of $5.45 million just 4 years later. One of the 24 ape punks available from Lava Labs, CryptoPunk number 5217 illustrates an ape wearing a knitted cap and a golden chain around its neck. The all-time average price for this non-fungible token is 1,126.25 Ethereum, which looks like it will continue to climb. The anonymous owner of CryptoPunk number 5217 currently owns 12 NFT assets, although none of these come at quite the same heavyweight price. If you're thinking of making a bid for CryptoPunk number 5217, you'd be out of luck since this CryptoPunk isn't for sale. There are 10,000 CryptoPunks available, shared between 6,039 males and 3,840 females, each of which is algorithmically generated through computer code. The rarity of these non-fungible tokens has earned anyone who owns these NFTs bragging rights in the cryptocurrency community, and they're credited as being key to the explosion of NFTs in 2021. Number 6. Oceanfront, $6 million. Graphic designer Mike Winkelmann, also known as Beeple, sold this non-fungible token artwork titled Oceanfront for $6 million in March 2021. Winkelmann is known for producing digital art, which oftentimes depicts comical references to popular culture, emphasizing social and political commentary. This NFT was brought by the founder and chief executive officer of the Tron Foundation, which runs one of the largest blockchain operating systems in the world. Winkelmann's work, Oceanfront, shows caravans and shipping containers stacked one on top of another in a structure that resembles the settlement illustrated in Steven Spielberg's film Ready Player One. Oceanfront is one of several artworks from Winkelmann's Everyday series, which revolves around the caption, "Together we can solve this." The creation of the Oceanfront was also carbon net neutral to avoid contributing to climate change. Number 5. Crossroad. The next on the list of most expensive NFTs is another art piece from Beeple, and this one was sold for a whopping $6.66 million. Tilted Crossroad, the animated artwork, shows former United States President Donald Trump lying on his front to the side of a pathway, with a series of slogans and insults scrawled over his body. While it might not be the most original depiction of the former president, it was initially sold to Pablo Fraile, also known as the Museum of Art, on Twitter before being purchased by an anonymous source for $6.6 million. Beeple designed the artwork to change based on the outcome of the 2020 presidential election. If Joe Biden had lost, the Trump figure would have been shown wearing a crown and sporting a ripped chest while marching through celebratory flames. The sale of this NFT was brokered by Nifty Gateway's art buying services, which is a popular method for purchasing NFTs anonymously. At the time of the sale, this was the most expensive digital artwork ever auctioned, securing Beeple's spot as one of the leading artists working in the field. Number 4. CryptoPunk number 7804. The CryptoPunk number 7804 is another non-fungible token from Lava Labs, which is one of the most laid-back punks in the collection. CryptoPunk number 7804 is one of only 9 alien punks the outfit has created, and is one of 5,401 punks that has 3 attributes. The CryptoPunk number 7804 wears a forward-facing cap, along with 254 other alien punks, and wears a pair of small shades just like 378 other punks. The CryptoPunk number 7804 also rocks a charming pipe, while 317 other punks in the collection have also. The alien variety is the most sought-after type of CryptoPunk, and before the sale of CryptoPunk number 7804, 2 of these kinds of NFTs brought more than $7 million. At the time of this video, the anonymous owner of CryptoPunk number 7804 has another 5 punks in their collection, with the total amount spent on purchasing punks sitting at a jaw-dropping $23.52 million. Number 3. CryptoPunk number 3100. Starting out our top 3 is the CryptoPunk number 3100 NFT. This is one of the most expensive non-fungible tokens from Lava Labs, and it features one of the most minimalist designs that's ever been created. CryptoPunk number 3100 is another alien punk in Lava Labs' collection of non-fungible tokens, and is one of 333 punks with only a single attribute. The straight-faced alien rocks a blue and white headband, which is shared with 406 other punks in the Lava Labs collection. This NFT was sold for $7.58 million back in March 2021 to an anonymous user with the address 0x7B8961, having been originally sold for just $2,127 back in July 2017. The current owner has the NFT currently up for sale for anyone willing to put up the 35,000 Ethereum asking price, which is $142.4 million in fiat currency terms. Wow. Number 2. CryptoPunk number 7523. To this day, CryptoPunk number 7523 is one of the most expensive CryptoPunk non-fungible tokens, and it takes our number 2 spot on the most expensive NFTs in the world. It was sold for a whopping $11.8 million at Sotheby's. The sale was part of the auction house's natively digital NFT auction in June 2021, which set a new world record for a single CryptoPunk artwork at the time. CryptoPunk number 7523 depicts an alien, the rarest CryptoPunks, wearing a medical mask and knitted cap, with an earring in his right ear. The NFT earned the nickname COVID Alien, with records showing its original purchase for just 9 Ether in a public sale back in 2017. Number 1. Everydays, the first 5,000 days. Making the top spot on our exclusive list of billionaire NFTs is by far the most expensive NFT ever created, known as Everydays, the first 5,000 days. It was sold for a jaw-dropping price of $69.3 million, and which pushed the whole concept of digital art into the consciousness of the public and was the first instance of its kind to be sold through the prominent auction house. Christie's opened the bidding for the NFT on the 25th of February 2021, closing the auction on March 11th after the final astronomical bid closed the proceedings. The Everydays, the first 5,000 days, was also created by Mike B. Paul Winkelmann and is a collage of all the images its maker has posted online since 2007. Incredible. Thanks for watching. Until next time.